So the key fob is completely dead. This is for a 2002 Honda Civic LX, but I would imagine to be similar for near model years and other trim levels. On the back of it, for this generation, it says what battery size it is. It's a CR2025. Of course, I Googled it first before I flipped it over just to read this on the back. So I ordered this battery, CR2025. I had a different battery, a CR1620 for another vehicle that I have, but it was too small, wouldn't fit in this one. So to install this is very simple. You flip it over, use a standard tip screwdriver, put it into the slot here, push in and twist, and what you're doing is there's little arrows, so when it's in the locked position, it's that little triangle is over at this circle. I just rotated it counterclockwise while pushing inward, and now it's in the unlocked position, so it's spring-loaded and it'll come out a tad, just like that. And the battery is covered in there, and take note of which direction the battery is in. So as we can see, I believe the positive is towards the back, the negative is this way, positive is that way. So to align them, it would sit in there something like this. So let's take out the old battery, and we can see the plus sign on the back of it. Put that aside. Take our new battery, plus sign in just like that, and then we reinstall it. So we're going to realign the arrow with the spot right there. So it's still unlocked. Now we got to rotate it back so that way the arrow is pointing to the locked position. So now we have a key fob that should hopefully work, and we'll have to go outside and try it. We can see that it's illuminating the light there. I spent $6 on a pack of 5 batteries. I only needed 2 of them, so I do have 3 extra. And I now have $904 into the project car.